dear friends, last class में we have seen that we can create an activity on which we can have multiple views laid out, which we also executed and saw that it was looking quite plain. Again, I am executing it in front of you, but then we thought that no, we should design it in a better way so that it looks attractive and usable as well. So let us see how to make it more attractive. Just wait for a second. This device is getting launched. My virtual device is getting started, and as seen earlier, this application would be launched on the virtual device which I have selected. We can see at the bottom Gradle build running. So this application is currently being built. It takes few seconds. Meanwhile, we can see or have a recap of what we did last time. Let me click on the code. We converted or we utilized linear layout. By default, it was a constraint layout, so we replaced it with a linear layout. We will be discussing constraint layout as well in the next classes. Then we have set the value of the attribute layout width and height, wherein we said that this layout should match parent. Parent means screen of the parent. Then we shared that we set this orientation of layout as a vertical. Without doing it vertical, we have seen that all these views which you can see on the right side now were stacked not one by one but in a horizontal way, so things were looking disturbed. Then we have one more attribute, that is gravity. In fact, there are two such attributes. One is layout gravity and second is gravity. As soon as you click on the attribute on the right side, as seen earlier, you will be able to see the options which you can select. Now, what are these two different options? One is gravity and second is layout underscore gravity. Gravity says or talks about the children of a parent and their alignment. Say for example, this linear layout is a view group and it consists of multiple views: image view, text view, button, edit text, button. In our case, the example which we created recently. Now, what should be the orientation of that? It can be seen by or it can be set up using layout underscore gravity. So gravity means we are talking about children, and layout gravity means we are talking about the layout itself or view itself. Now in this case, layout gravity center means this linear layout itself would be in a center, and gravity is equal to center means this 1 2 3 4 5 would be in a center. We can also have center and top. And then if you see the design over here, this would not be reflected on our virtual device. We will have to reinstall it, but as soon as I actually clicked on gravity is equal to center and then top, all the views have been aligned to the top. This is center and top. So you can use pipe sign to showcase this. If you feel that no, center top is quite like touching the top, in that case you can have margin top, and then you can say that we need a margin of say 100 dp. Now if you see split, so this view is being dragged little bit down. You can check say 150 and see it slides down. So 100 I think was looking better, and now we have this. But if you see, this is 100. But if you see, all the views are one by one touching each other. So what we aim is, or we want to do is, This we want to have a margin between all these views. So let us set margin of each and every view. So margin top is equal to 20 dp. Here also text view, that is welcome to my class. Margin top is equal to 20 dp. Now here I think it would be visible to you. Margin top is equal to 20 dp again, and you can see the difference between the distance between each view. This is a 20, this difference is 20 dp. You can then later on adjust according to your requirements. So margin top is equal to 20 dp, and here also margin top is equal to 20 dp. Now fair enough distance is there amongst multiple views. Now welcome to my class is seen in a black color, but if you want to change it to red color, or maybe you want to change the style of this text, then in a text view what you can do is text style is equal to, there are three options available: bold, italic and normal. Let's go with a bold. Then text color may let us change it. Now here we need to study a concept where we can define all these colors in a file colors.xml. Let me select one default color. As soon as you select this color, you can see that here black color is being selected. Now how come this? This file is available in a resource folder. Again, I'm closing this so the structure is quite clearly visible to you. Click on resource folder, click on values, and here you will find colors.xml. Now you can see two colors are defined over here. One is black and second is white. What you can do is, if you want to define new colors, either you directly give hexa value there, or you can also select new color over here. And now this is a black color, again redefined. Double click on this and you can select any color. Say I want to go with this blue color, or maybe darkish blue color. Click outside, and now this color is being selected. Let us go again to our layout file, and here now we have a choice. Either we change this color by clicking on this and selecting the same color. Here you will find a custom palette also, and then you can select the same color. Click outside. Say for example, here I am selecting purple color just to see the difference. When I am clicking outside, this hexadecimal value is being selected over here, and in the left you see that the color of the text is purple, and the right also it is visible in a design view. Welcome to my class is now in a purple color. But if you want to see set the value or utilize the value which was available in a colors.xml file, then what you can do is text color is equal to, you can type @color slash, oh we made one mistake here. Go to colors, both colors are same. Let us name as dark blue. Now move to activity main XML. This again, see text color is equal to @color slash, and you will be able to see this done. So I hope this is clear. If you again click on this, whatever colors are defined in colors file, you will be able to see the list over here. If 100 different colors are defined, you can search from using this search button. But if you want to select your own color or define a new color, you can use browse, and then you can select whatever color you want. Advantages of defining color in a colors file is that you can later on change this color. And if you change this color at one place and if you applied it at 50 different places, that change would be applicable everywhere. Otherwise you will have to make changes at 50 different places. Say for example your application is consisting of 10 activities, and everywhere in a text view or maybe edit text you want to use the same color or same style, then you can utilize the value which is available in a colors file, and later on if you want to change, you change at one place and that change would be reflected at multiple places. So I think now this looks fair enough, and you can also select text size. Text size is, you need to give it an SP. So here this is S25 SP. Then let us see text alignment. Text alignment. Alignment again, it may be center or left alignment, right alignment, and so on. So here I'm choosing center. Let us now redesign the buttons. Button may, let us see background tint. This background tint and color is being changed. To visualize the effect, let us add some new color which might be bright and not suitable for activity, but at least we will be able to see the difference very clearly. Let us go for red and name it as red, and in activity main.xml, in a background tint, yes, and it is there. And you can change text color. Color is equal to, now let us make it black, and it is black. Text style and all applies here also. So text style is equal to, say, converted to italic. Text size, again let us make 20 SP, and you can see this font is being increased. There are many such attributes which can be applied on a single view. Now let us copy this style. I showcase you to create a style later on where that style can be applied on all the views or views which you aim to. But as of now, let us understand this, that how this has been created. And now if you see, this is ready. You can also create this using design view. Here, suppose you want to add some button, then you can select this button, you can drag it over here. Then if you feel that no, you do not want to change the attributes of this using a code window, then you would be able to find out an attributes window. Here it is. And attributes corresponding to the view which you have selected would be visible over here. Click on button click me, and if you remember, this is the ID. So in the right side, if you see in front of ID, button click me is there. Any change you make over here, it would be reflected in a code window also. Say for example, I'm changing this text color. Instead of this, let us choose white. So it is not only reflected over here, but if you go in a code, then button, here it is a button, and this is white. You can see now the color of that text color of the button has been changed. And there are a lot of such attributes. Say for example, again select this button, and if you want to select or certain value of an attribute or name of an attribute, then you can select or search using this place. Say let us see, there are multiple attributes which can be applied on single views. Say for example, text color, text all caps, and then you can select from here. This is how you can select text alignment, and then you can see that there are multiple options possible. Text, and so if you can see on the button, now the text is aligned to the right side. So this searching would help you a lot. You can also later on see each and every attribute once by clicking this, and if you feel you know this would be useful for you for a design on a design purpose, then you can apply this either using a design window or using your code window. I am deleting this button, and let us execute this or reinstall the application just to see the effect. Then we will add an image because that is what is missing over here now. Oh, some failure has occurred. Let me see where it is. Touch target too small is not a reason for that, but so let us see what this error means, or maybe what line it is. Okay, it is at row column 58 and in the file activity underscore main.xml. Okay, we have used it twice. Let us remove this and rebuild it. Application is now ready to install. Yes, and it is getting launched. So we cannot define the same attribute twice. And in the right side you can see all the effects are visible this way. So let us now add an image. To add an image, go to project window. Again I am closing this resource folder. Open this resource folder. There are 5 folders: drawable, layout, map, values and XML. I have been telling this again and again, but because we'll be using all this attribute folders one by one depending on the requirements, but all folders would be utilized. Now this drawable folder consists of images which you can or you want to use in the entire activity. Say for example, this is the image which is by default added. This is another image which is being added. Now if you want to add your own image, you can right click, new, and you can use vector asset. Either image asset or vector asset, and then you would be able to find out that there are many vector assets and image assets which are available to us along with the installation of Android Studio. Let me cancel it and see what is available in image asset as well. New image asset. As soon as you click on this image asset, again there are lot many images available. Let us see, or you can, if you select this clip art, double click on it and you will be able to see lot many images which are available in the system. Text, if you want to create such type of a text, then also you can create. Then let us but go with vector asset, new, and vector asset. Now double click on this and let us select any image which we want. Say for example, let us take the architecture, just to see 24 by 24 dB. If you want to change the color, you can change the color. So this, and then click outside. If you want to change the name, I'm just writing down as logo. Let it be 24 by 24 dp as of now. Next, and then you can say finish. So this logo .xml has been added. As soon as I click on it, this file is opened on the right side, and this is the code which is related to vector asset. You can also download vector assets from the net, or you can create new vector assets as well. You can also change the values from this place, and the changes would be reflected. Say for example, if you do not want black color over here and you want green color, then you can change this, and now it is changed to green. And let us now add this in the image view which we have created in a layout file. Here, layout. In a image view, you can add src. src is equal to, if you remember that before few minutes we utilized color.xml file. Similarly here, this file is available in drawable folder. So you need to write down drawable, and as soon as you write few letters of drawable, you will be able to see all the images which are available in a drawable folder. Click on drawable logo, and let us see that whether yes, and this image is now visible over here. Now you might think that this was available in the Android Studio, or it was actually available to you when the Studio was installed. What if you want to add your image over here? So let me showcase you that. Let us go on Google and select one image. You need to be cautious while using these kind of images, because license might be associated with it. I'm using it just for demonstration purpose. So and then in a drawable folder, right click, or maybe what you should do is paste it. Yes, Control C, right click, and then paste. Okay, jaipur.png, let it be there. Yes, and this file is being added. Let us create one more image view code. I'll be copy pasting this, and but I need to change the ID. Image logo 1 and src. Okay, src is already there. If that attribute is being already selected, it doesn't showcase you next time in the list. So instead of this logo 1, we need to use jaipur.png. Let us see if this is visible. Now, yes, it is visible. So it doesn't expect a extension to be written by us. Let us re-execute it. And then our application with designs attached with multiple views is ready. You might have seen that first time it takes more time, later on it takes less time, comparatively less, otherwise it does takes time. So you can see on the right side on our virtual device the Jaipur logo is also there. Then the second image is also there. This is a text view. Both of these are image views. This is a button. This is a edit text where we are expecting user to enter some data, and this is also a button. So friends, in the next class I'll teach you that what if I want to make this button functional. I showcased you in a demo that if I'd be clicking this, then this text would be changed. Whatever I'll write over here, say for example I'm writing Sonal Jain over here, and if I click here, what I want is instead of welcome to my class, I want here to be written welcome Sonal Jain. Similarly, if I click this check me, then I want this text to be visible on the screen here at the bottom. So let us discuss this in the next class. Thank you.